Hey bug farmers, welcome to Bug Farmer Beekeeping, where we dive into the world of apiculture, beekeeping, and bees every week. This is the place to share laughs, explore bees, and learn together, all without taking ourselves too seriously. To join our buzzing community, it's easy and it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and let's cultivate beekeeping knowledge and fun together. Now, let's get into the bees. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a lot of nothing. Well, I'm going to do a lot of something. I'm just not going to do it on camera. It's going to be a short video today. We'll come down here and take a look. We've got the fall prep done. All the hives and all of the apiaries have been treated for mites. All of the hives and all of the apiaries have been fed. And all of the hives and all of the apiaries have had the beetles removed from them. So right now, it's up to the bees to do what the bees are going to do. It is a beautiful day here in Georgia. And my girls are just now waking up. They're on the landing boards and they're getting ready to go out and forage. The fall flow has started. Now, it's not a big fall flow here. It never is. But I'm not going to provide any more sugar to these bees until after this fall flow is wrapped up. I don't want to prevent them from getting anything, and I don't want to spend the money on sugar if I don't have to. Now, I've got 800 pounds of sugar in the back of my Subaru. I'm going to have to get that, and get it down to the shop. But you can see the girls are waking up. They're hitting the landing boards. There we go. There's some girls right there getting ready to take off. They're going to go out and forage today. So there you go, and there you have it. Other than that, it is a gorgeous day in Georgia. I tell you what, yesterday was beautiful as well. And, I was going to skip a week of making a video. I wasn't in the mood. It's been a tough week. And then, you know why it's been a tough week. It's been a tough week for a lot of us. And I don't really have it in me to do much other than to tie up some loose ends, get my shop cleaned up. I've got a lot of frames that I need to tear apart. And yesterday I went through the shop and actually cleaned up my workbench, restocked my supply room for the store, got that in good shape. I've taken the first step. There's a plum tree buried back there. I'm gonna have to cut all of these suckers down and all these sweet gum trees down. But there you go. Anyways. I just took the first step yesterday of the next big thing that I'm going to be doing on this channel, and I don't want to give it away, so I'm not going to say yet. But I took a huge step yesterday. It was an expensive step, but I took it, and we've got something coming that I think is gonna be great for all of us, not just me, but for all beekeepers. That's a pretty broad brush I'm painting with there. A lot of beekeepers. I think what I'm going to be bringing to the table here very soon will be beneficial. We'll leave it at that. But let's just take a quick walk over here. I'm going to try to dodge any of these crazy spiders. These Joro spiders. They're everywhere. I tell you what, I've killed probably, oh gosh, I don't know, 1,000 of them in my yard. I guess because I've got a bee yard. It's a target-rich environment. So the spiders have just reproduced and stayed. So there you go. I mean, I can see web right there. There's no way that this is going to be picked up. But I tell you what, I'll put it on the screen as I walk over here. I actually got to try to get past this web. I actually but have 2 of these spiders in about 50 foot up in a tree in the middle of my yard. I have no idea how they got there. Ooh, I don't want to get a face full. I have no idea how they got there, but they're there. And it's pretty amazing, bizarre, and gross all at the same time. Not a fan of them. I don't like the Joro spiders. Look, there's one right here. I'm walking. There's one right there. Right, just, right above their face level. It's right there. So I've got to find a stick now to eliminate that before we can move on. Let's break off a branch. Oh, I almost walked into another one. Goodness. This is the worst, just the worst. Let me try to get in here and break off a branch. There we go. Now let's get rid of this guy. Okay, he's done. Oh, no, he's not. Right there. Oh, and get the branch gone. Woo! So that I don't get him on my hand. There's another one right there, but we're going to try to get around the side of him. All right, we made it to open territory, which is not necessarily always safe. Again, because I've got, oh man, see, there we go. Open territory. We thought it was safe. Look at this. You can't see it right there. But there he is. There he is. Son of a gun. I need another branch. All right, we're going to get another branch. Oh, there's another one right there. These things are the worst. Just the worst. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Okay. He's off into the ether. He's gone. All right. Let's continue to come over here. I just want to see if there's any flowers in bloom. I know that the aster and goldenrod are starting to pop. I see them on the side of the road. They're not popping here yet. I don't see them popping here yet. Usually I can see some down in here, and it's just it's not here yet. Let's keep walking. See what we can see. Boy, I tell you what, I've got to mow. Oh, and the beaver took down some more trees. Son of a gun. That beaver's the worst. Just the worst. Hey, there's some goldenrod. Looky there. Looky there. It is starting to pop. Now the question is this: is it producing? And what is that tree next to it? Looks like some sort of a pine or a cedar tree with white stuff on it. Let's see if that stuff has got any bees on it. Probably won't yet. A little yellow flower down there in my shadow. I gotta watch for Joro spiders. I don't want to walk through them. Those things are everywhere. Okay, I don't know what that is. If you have any idea what that is, let me know. I guess I can take a picture with my iPhone and hit the I button and find out. Wonder if that's putting anything out. It looks like it looks like a nectar-bearing plant, right? I mean, if I was a bee, I would give it a shot. I would try it. And it's just not, it's not gonna have anything on it yet because the bees are just now on the landing board. Holy cow, look at this. This beaver, it's killing me. Killing me, I say. Let me try to zoom us out a little bit. Holy cow. Well, it took down that tree that we looked at last time. It's now there, and I don't know how I'm gonna mow around here. This is the worst. I don't know what that is. I have no idea, but it's prickly. I don't think a bee's gonna get on there. All right, let's make our way back up to the lake. Let's look along the edge and see if we can see anything. We're on a field trip today, fellas and fellettes, because again, I'm not gonna be getting into the hives today. It's not gonna happen. Primarily because they're set up good to do what they need to do. So let's look. Let's look. Let's see if we can see anything else. The lake is nice and calm this morning. I tell you what, it's been pretty windy around here lately, but I can't complain because it's low humidity and cool weather. So there you go. Not a lot is in bloom right now. But again, there is something because I've seen the girls go out. They're fishing for it, so to speak. And they're looking. What do we have here? Is that some Queen Anne's lace? What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. You tell me. Leave it in the comments. I don't know what it is. Got a lot of purple flowers about to pop as well. I don't know whether you can see this. I'm going to try to zoom in on one. Whatever that is, it's about to let go of some purple flowers. Might be some antler chicory. I'm not sure. But again, the fall flow is starting here. And that's good enough for me. That is good enough for me. What in the world? Is this the track that I made last time with my tractor? And why did it not fill back in? All right, yeah, you can see animals have been going through here. These are animal tracks. I don't know what it is. Maybe deer. Maybe it's the beaver. I don't know. But I tell you what, I guess I'm going to have to get out here with my chainsaw, chop these branches up, get these things in a pile so that I can mow, because I can't mow back here now, and usually I mow the levee this time of year. Look at that. Yeah, there's some of those purple flowers. Maybe that's purple aster right there. That's different. So those are in bloom. I'll take it. My bees will take it. Anything we can get. And now this looks like some sort of a burr. I'm not sure what this is. I guess I'm gonna have to walk around and get pictures of these and see what Google thinks they are. There you go. All right. Again, flow coming to a beginning in a place near you. Son of a gun. This is the worst. I mean, this is just the worst. Holy cow. Holy cow. Now what is this? Now these are nice. I don't know what they are. They look like little miniature pansies. I'm not sure what that is. But hey, it's in bloom. I'll take it. We have something else over here. Oh, but it's being guarded by a Joro spider. There goes the spider. These guys. Bees, stay away from that, lest you be food. All right, what do I just see down there? Let's try to get past the spider. Oh, there's the spider web. I just walked through it. Let's break it. There we go. These spiders, I hate them. Hate them. Oh man, there's another one. Yikes. Okay. This is the damage caused by the beaver. I don't know whether you can see this. This is terrible. This is just a runoff pool. And we've had a beaver destroy it this year. Holy cow. Just holy cow. All right. All right, I see more spider webs here. I'm not going back up there. I'm going the way I came because I hate spiders. I don't like them. Not a fan. Not a fan, but it looks like this beaver's trying to build a giant dike. He's trying to build the ground up a little bit here. So it looks like we're gonna have to trap this guy. I think that's the only thing that we can do. He's just tearing everything up. See, that's where the water's supposed to run off, but it can't because the beavers built up a dam right in front of the drainage tubes. That's the worst. All right, let's try to get back up and out. And I think that's going to be it for the video. The fall flow has begun. The Joro spiders are on the prowl. The beavers have destroyed. They have destroyed my levee, and it's going to take a while for me to get it cleaned up where I can mow. So there you go. There you have it. I'm sorry the video wasn't much more today. Not getting in the hives, and really I have a lot of other work to do. To be honest with you, I was thinking about just taking the week off and not making a video at all. But I thought I'd at least let you know what I'm doing and what I'm up to. Last week's video, I thought for sure it was going to be great, and it turned into a bomb. I don't know why people didn't enjoy the content that I put out. And I think, honestly, a lot of people never got to the point where I started talking about what I was going to talk about. But the last 15 minutes of last week's video is fantastic. So there you go. There you have it. Have a great day. Be happy. And I will see you next week. Take care.